I'm Dave. You're watching Dave Taste Buds, and welcome back. Have I got a great episode for you today? Something so easy, something so delicious, but it's such a crowd pleaser, and you can make your own variations. At the end, I'm gonna tell you what I do. So today, we're talking about hummus. Like anything else that I make, the first thing I'm gonna do is show you what you're gonna need to make your hummus. So to make this simple hummus, all you're gonna need is one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, a 1/4 cup of tahini, a small garlic cloves minced up. You need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of salt. Just make it how you want it to taste. And you're gonna wanna have a little bit of water on the side just to make sure you get that consistency right.
That's all you need.
Hummus is one of the easiest things to make, yet people are so impressed when you do it. So make it at home. Here's how. Whenever I get a chance to bust out my small food processor, I'm gonna do it. You could also use a larger one. You could also use a blender. Any of those things will work. So whatever you got. Today, going with the food processor. So simple. All you gotta do is put everything together. Chickpeas going in. Tahini going right in. Which is kind of a crazy product to me because it's literally just, I finally read exactly what was in it, expecting to see, you know, sesame seeds, some kind of vegetable oil, some kind of preservatives, some kind of salt, whether it's just straight salt or not. You know what was in there? Sesame seeds. That's it. It's literally smashed up sesame seeds. It's good. We got our lemon juice going in. Great flavor. Cumin, garlic, also going in. We're gonna wanna have a little bit of oil just to kind of loosen it up, but not make it watery. And just for yucks, I like to start off with a little bit of salt, not too crazy. So we're gonna move all this to the side. We're gonna have our water nearby. I'm gonna get the lid on here. Goes this way. We're gonna fire it up. And if it's acting up on us, I'm gonna push it down. Push those chickpeas down to the bottom. I'm gonna add a splash of water. Do it again. Tiny bit more water. And after only like 30 seconds or so, you get this stuff that looks exactly like hummus. Get yourself a fresh spoon. Look at that. The consistency looks good. It's almost shocking how easy this is and how delicious this is. I mean, what can I say? It's got the perfect consistency. It's got the perfect flavor. All I gotta do is put this in your favorite serving bowl. I mean, it was almost so easy, I almost, can't even talk about it. Let's get this on out of here. Set this to the side. And look at this. Straight, original, delicious, right to the point hummus. The recipe is in the description below. And this is exactly how that recipe is written. And it came out perfect. So now that we have it, let me tell you a couple things you can do with this. Take a couple cloves of garlic, roast them off, smash them up, throw them in there with it when you're putting it in the food processor. Delicious.
That sounds good. I'll have that.
Take a tiny little bit of Frank's hot sauce, put that in there. Buffalo hummus, are you kidding me? It's delicious. I buy it at the store. I'm not gonna do that anymore. From now on, I'm getting it straight from here. So those are just 2 things you can do with it. If you have other ideas of things that, you would want to put in it to make it taste different. I've seen chocolate hummus. I don't know. I've never tried it. Maybe take some morsels, melt them down, throw them in. Try it, and tell me how it is. So I don't know what else to say besides this hummus is delicious. Serve this with some pita chips, some carrot sticks, whatever you want. Go make hummus. So I want to thank you for watching all the way until the end on how we made this delicious hummus. So consider subscribing, certainly hit that like button, and shoot me a comment like I said. But this video right here, this is what YouTube thinks you're going to want to watch next. It's specifically designed for you. Everybody else who watches this is going to see a different video. So this one's for you. So check it out. So like, subscribe, send me a comment, get ready to watch this next video. And then when you're done doing all that, go cook something.